Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone storage full problem. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Now go into the General Settings and then click on iPhone Storage. You can see what apps are taking your storage here. You can see that the Photos app is taking all my storage. First of all, delete the recently deleted photos and videos from your phone. You can also enable iCloud if you have purchased it to save more storage on your phone. In order to get more free storage, you can offload more apps just like CapCut in my phone. Click on the offload option and then reinstall the app again. Offload and reinstall all the other apps which are taking up a lot of storage in your phone like Chrome, TikTok, and many more apps. Offload the TikTok app by clicking on the Offload app option and then reinstall the app. Offload the Roblox app in the same way, then reinstall the app again. You can scroll down further and see other apps which you don't use anymore and delete them from your phone. Search for the Safari app in your search bar. Go to the Safari app and clear the history and data from your phone to save more storage. You can also delete iOS updates from your iPhone and save storage. Go back to the iPhone storage and offload some more apps if you still don't have storage. This is how you can fix the storage problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.